In this module, I will talk about the importance as well as the stages to emptying your mind using the empty mind meditation. Now you may think, why empty your mind using meditation? Truth is, for thousands of years, people have been using meditation to move beyond the mind's stress-inducing thoughts and emotional upsets into the peace and clarity of present moment awareness. Did you know that when you think, hear, speak, cry out, engage in something physical or stressful, waves are produced? With meditation, everything stops. Your brain may be totally still, unmoving. It really is possible. It is when the surface of the brain quiets down and becomes still that we begin to see and feel what is underneath. Worry about how long you'll need to learn before you can get started? Worry no more. You could learn it in just 5 minutes and you can readily engage in it anytime and anywhere. Yet you should constantly engage in it to improve upon practice. Likewise, it could also be developed into a habit wherein it becomes natural or second nature to you. The more one practices meditation, the higher the level of meditation one can achieve. Now let's talk about empty mind meditation. For those who do not know what this is about, let me tell you more. It's a technique in which the mind is gradually emptied out of all thoughts which interfere in the process of meditation. In ancient times, spiritual greats had used the empty mind method to attain enlightenment. Do you know why this type of meditation is commonly used? Because of the fact that the ultimate purpose of meditation is to attune oneself to the universal will by emptying oneself of the ego or the self. The mind is a powerful tool that sometimes hinders us from achieving the inner peace we earnestly seek. Empty mind meditation helps us find relaxation from the highly demanding and hectic lifestyle of most modern people. The mere practice of emptying the mind enables a person to free the mind from the anxious thoughts which clutter the mind throughout the day. By achieving a relaxed state, one can de-stress the body and consequently achieve healing of some ailing body parts. The constant practice of empty mind meditation is beneficial to the holistic development of oneself. Did you know that with the regular practice of empty mind meditation, there are 5 areas of your life which will be improved? Number 1, the physiological aspect. Number 2, the social aspect, which involves the way we relate to other people. Number 3, the intellectual aspect. Number 4, the emotional aspect. And number 5, the spiritual aspect. Now let's talk about the stages of empty mind meditation. This is a simple process that most people find difficult to achieve. Why? This is because as human beings, we tend to cling to what we have learned, striven for, and have achieved. This is exactly the opposite of letting go of all thoughts. In meditation, we must let go of these clingy thoughts. There are numerous procedures or ways to achieve and complete a meditation. The most experienced meditation practitioner uses these simple step-by-step procedures. 1. Be seated comfortably. 2. Relax the body. 3. Breathe. 4. Clear your mind. Be seated comfortably. The first thing that a practitioner should do is find a suitable place to meditate, and then you sit in a cross-legged manner. You can sit anywhere, but what is important is that you are seated comfortably with your back straightened so that your back muscles will not readily strain. Also, you can use a pillow for back support and for comfort. When conducting lengthy meditation, it is extremely important to be in a quiet place to avoid any kinds of distraction. Relax the body. The next step in the meditation process is the closing of one's eyes and the relaxing of the body by tensing, stretching, or curling one part of the body repeatedly until you feel relaxed. While you are seated, push your hips forward and then push your stomach out while tensing up all your stomach muscles a couple of times and relaxing in between to relieve the tension. Tuck your stomach in until the muscles of your lower back and buttocks are tensed enough. And then arch both your shoulders and push your chest in, tensing all your upper back muscles repeatedly. Then slacken your muscles in between exercises, and then reverse the exercise by pulling your shoulders back and pushing your chest out, tensing all your muscles and then slackening the tension. This exercise relieves the upper body of stress and tension. Repeat this process until you feel relaxed. Then you can start arching your neck forward and placing your chin on your chest, tensing neck and jaw muscles, then momentarily relaxing to reverse the action by pushing your head all the way back while raising your chin up high and tensing your throat and jaw muscles. Move your head back while looking up. Then open your mouth wide and scrunch your face up, tensing your facial and other muscles in your head and tensing and relaxing. Likewise, smile as widely as possible while scrunching up your face and tensing all facial muscles. Frown deeply while scrunching up your face, then tense all your facial muscles. This exercise relieves our muscles and joints of the stress and tensions that accumulate every day. Breathe. The third step in the meditation process is to be aware of your breathing. Breathe deeply but silently. Use your abdomen while breathing. Feel your abdomen expand and contract while you inhale and exhale. Inhale through your nostrils and exhale through the mouth. Moderate your breathing and give it a regular pace until you reach a point of almost non-breathing. This will further relax the body and mind and set your being in a meditative mood. And the last stage is to clear your mind. As you find yourself with the correct, relaxed breathing, observe the thoughts passing through your mind. Do not interfere with these thoughts. Just observe them, and you will notice some gaps between two thoughts. Gently focus on the gap where there is no thought. Try to expand this thoughtless gap. Let it last longer until there is no thought anymore. Normally, thoughts suddenly come out of nowhere. Just ignore them. Revert back to thinking of nothing. Just close your eyes and observe the blackness or whiteness, regardless of any thoughts which may crop up. By practicing empty mind meditation enough, you will find that you are noticeably happier, relaxed, calm, and alert. This is because you will gain more clarity and serenity in your heart with enough meditation practice.